Okay, let's jump right into it. Welcome to this explainer where today we're exploring a completely new way to work. If you've ever felt just utterly exhausted by endless digital chores like answering the exact same emails, formatting documents, or just staring at a blank screen, well, this explainer is absolutely for you. We're going to look at how a few simple, totally free tools dominating 2026 can literally save you hours of manual effort. And the best part, you can do all of this even if you have absolutely zero technical background.
So, here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll uncover what we call the hidden time trap. Then, we'll introduce 5 essential AI tools, show you how to connect them into a simple step-by-step system. And finally, we'll reveal your unfair future advantage.
All right, part one, the hidden time trap. Let's find out, are you doing things the hard way? I want you to take a second and honestly reflect on this. How much time are you wasting every single day? Seriously, think about the hours you spend just copy-pasting data from one spreadsheet to another, or staring at a blinking cursor trying to write, say, a simple marketing email. It's frustrating, right? Most people are stuck relying on these old, manual ways of doing things, and they're completely unaware that a much faster, far simpler solution is already sitting right in front of them. Because there is a massive shift happening right now in how we use our energy. On one side, you've got the traditional manual grind. You know the one, the kind of work that just drains you and burns hours of your precious day just to get a basic task done. But on the flip side, you have AI-assisted work, where that exact same output takes mere minutes. The required effort drops practically to zero, and it transforms that exhaustion into instant momentum. It's really like night and day. Moving right along to part two, 5 essential AI tools. It's time to meet your new digital assistants. First up on our list is ChatGPT. Now, a lot of people treat this like a basic search bar, but actually, it's your ultimate co-writer. Imagine you need to send a project update, but you just don't know where to start. Well, instead of agonizing over a blank page, you just type out a few messy bulleted thoughts, and it instantly hands you back a polished, professional email. It literally cures writer's block in seconds. Next is Notion AI. So if ChatGPT is your creative partner, Notion AI is your personal command center. It's basically like having a hyper-organized project manager living right inside your laptop. You can use it to plan projects, effortlessly structure your meeting notes, and automate your daily to-do lists. It keeps everything perfectly organized in one clean, simple workspace so you don't have to manage the clutter yourself. Third, we have Canva AI. Okay, so no more staring at a blank canvas until your eyes cross, or struggling with those incredibly complicated design menus just to make a simple graphic. With Canva AI, you just give it simple instructions, like make a bright poster for a summer sale, and bam, your professional-grade visuals are instantly generated. It's a total game changer that turns anyone into a graphic designer practically overnight. Our fourth tool is Perplexity AI. Look, we all know the absolute pain of traditional searching, right? Having 50 tabs open, skimming through repetitive articles, and still having absolutely no clear answer to your question. Well, Perplexity is a next-generation search engine that just cuts through all that noise. It hands you the direct answer, beautifully summarized, and, this is the best part, backed by real, clickable citations. For quick research, it is absolutely brilliant. And fifth is 11 Labs. Let's be real for a second. Most of us really hate the sound of our own recorded voice. 11 Labs actually solves this by taking plain written text and transforming it into highly realistic, human-like voiceovers. You don't need to go out and buy an expensive microphone, and you definitely don't need to hide in your closet to record clear audio. You get instant, stress-free, professional sound for any presentation you're working on. All right, part 3, the step-by-step system. This is where we connect the blocks. You see, having individual tools is great, sure. But there's a fundamental mindset shift we need to make right here. You are no longer doing tasks manually. You're building a system that works for you. You're officially stepping out of that exhausting role of the assembly line worker, and you're becoming the architect of your own automated workflow. Let's look at exactly how this comes together, especially for a non-technical beginner. Imagine you need to create a short promotional video for your small business today. Here's your simple step-by-step guide. Step 1, you ask Perplexity to research key facts about your industry. Step 2, you hand those facts over to ChatGPT, which writes up a catchy 60-second script for you. Step 3, you drop your visual ideas into Canva to generate your graphics. And Step 4, you feed your script right into 11 Labs for a flawless voiceover. It's really that simple. By snapping these simple tools together like digital building blocks, you are completely bypassing the manual grind. A massive, multi-step promotional project that used to drain your entire afternoon, well, now it's suddenly finished before your morning coffee even gets cold. Honestly, that is the true power of a connected AI system.
Which brings us to part 4, your unfair future advantage, scaling faster in 2026.
The strategy moving forward is incredibly straightforward. By learning this simple step-by-step system early, you instantly escape the manual labor trap that is currently holding most people back. When you let these tools handle all the heavy lifting, you scale your output without working harder. The people adopting this easy playbook right now are effortlessly outpacing the competition, completely leaving everyone else behind to struggle with the old, slow way of doing things. Which leaves us with one final, absolutely vital question to think about. What will you do with the hours you reclaim today? Whether you want to launch a brand new project, spend some much needed time with your family, or just, finally take a breath, that time is yours again. I challenge you to apply this simple step-by-step guide to your own daily routine and experience that incredible freedom firsthand. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Now go out there and build your system.